Good evening, everyone. My name is Josh Jones. I'm here with my partner, Ava Cole, and we'd like to talk to you all about Netflix and how they can use customer data to calculate the value of licensed content and secure a competitive advantage for the future. Netflix wasn't always the streaming giant we know today. In fact, it began as a DVD rental service, one that offered a unique model, mail order movies. Customers could rent up to 3 DVDs at a time with no late fees, which was a revolutionary move for the time. But behind this simplicity was a powerful tool that would reshape the entertainment industry forever: data. Netflix's real strength was its ability to collect and leverage massive amounts of customer data. Rather than relying on traditional methods of customers picking their own films in physical stores, Netflix used its algorithms to predict what customers wanted based on their viewing habits. The more you watched, the better Netflix got at recommending what to pick next. Netflix's ability to harness data went beyond just making recommendations. It helped the company predict inventory needs, ensuring the right movies were available to customers at the right time. It wasn't just about providing a service, it was about optimizing that service to match customer behavior and demand, which allowed it to outperform competitors. The landscape of video rental was changing dramatically. With DVD rentals on the decline, Netflix made the bold decision to shift its focus to streaming. And once again, it was customer data that powered this transition. Using this data, Netflix didn't just offer streaming, it tailored it, providing a highly personalized experience that would soon become a core differentiator in the crowded streaming market. It tracked everything from the genres watched to the time of day the customer watched, and even the shows clicked on immediately after finishing a movie. In 2013, Netflix started producing original TV shows, further expanding its reach beyond licensing. Hits like House of Cards were followed by Stranger Things, a show created after analyzing customer data to determine what kinds of genres, characters, and storylines were likely to appeal to subscribers. Netflix's ability to tailor content to the tastes of its diverse audience was, and is still, one of its biggest advantages. Netflix took it a step further by integrating machine learning into its platform. Using advanced algorithms, Netflix could predict customer behaviors with remarkable accuracy. This allowed them to continuously improve their content recommendations, optimize user experience, and even refine streaming quality. Machine learning also helped Netflix adjust to challenges like uneven video availability, cultural awareness, and language barriers, ensuring that its content was accessible and engaging for global audiences. With its data driven approach, Netflix not only increased subscriber satisfaction, but also expanded internationally. By analyzing viewing trends, Netflix identified local preferences and created content that resonated with specific regions. This enabled Netflix to thrive in markets all around the world, from Asia to Europe, where local shows became global hits. While Disney Plus has been successful, especially with its powerhouse franchises like Star Wars, it has yet to fully adopt the data driven approach that made Netflix so successful. Instead of using customer data to predict viewer demand for new types of content, Disney Plus has primarily relied on its well established brands and iconic franchises. Netflix's machine learning research has shown just how powerful predictive analytics can be. As Bob Siegel from Harvard Business Review explains, prediction is the antidote to information overload. With the vast amount of content available today, customers need tailored recommendations to navigate the noise. Netflix has mastered this by improving its ability to predict not only what content users will enjoy, but also when and how they'll engage with it. It's a strategy that continues to drive customer satisfaction and loyalty. Netflix doesn't just rely on mainstream hits, it has mastered the art of the long tail, making niche content more profitable. By focusing on underserved genres and producing content that appealed to specific tastes, Netflix created a more diverse library that attracted a wider range of viewers. Shows like BoJack Horseman or Money Heist, originals that became massive hits despite their niche origins, are prime examples of how data driven content creation can succeed in unexpected ways. Disney Plus has certainly made strides in the global market, especially with its Hotstar brand in India, but it could benefit from using customer data to understand regional preferences even more deeply. Imagine if Disney Plus could apply the same machine learning algorithms that Netflix uses to understand what subscribers want beyond the major franchises. It could tailor content in a way that goes beyond the obvious hits, potentially unlocking new growth and revenue streams where Netflix has already been established. Netflix's strategy of leveraging data and machine learning to predict viewer preferences has given it a competitive edge in the streaming wars. By continuing to refine its algorithms, Netflix not only keeps subscribers engaged, but continually evolves to meet changing demands.